Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reading Xiaoyu's patterns. Watch stance cues and habitual transitions to catch her commitment. Once done, punish whiffs aggressively. Use a 10-14 frame move or sidestep and hit with a fast 1+2. Make sure to control spacing. Hold roughly 30-40% of the stage distance so throws and mix-ups become risky for her. You'll tilt the neutral in your favor by trading a little space for safer punishes and clearer reactions. You now control the middle game by denying Xiaoyu easy stance access. Pressure with mid-safe strings and buffer low pokes to interrupt her rhythm. Once done, mix movement, sidestep or duck frame traps, and convert with 12-15 frame punishes or a hop-back punish when she overcommits. Make sure to condition her with a couple of 3-hit strings so later you can switch to a guaranteed mid or a throw, breaking her defense and reducing her risky escape options. You finish rounds by converting punish stances into high-damage juggles or wall carry. Optimize for damage and stage control. Once done, alternate between guaranteed wall combos and safe resets so she can't reliably escape. Make sure to break and read her throw delay techs. If she repeats the same escape timing, punish the delay decisively. If things go wrong, switch to slower bait and retune your spacing. That single adjustment often stops repeated counter hits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.